How to fix the 0x80070306 Windows Update error. This morning, I ran into the 0x80070306 install error while updating to Windows 1125 H2. Even after clicking retry, the update kept failing again and again, so I decided to troubleshoot the error and managed to fix the problem in no time. This should help you too. Also, I'm assuming you've already run the Windows Update Troubleshooter by now. If not, make sure to do that first, and then try the solutions explained next. First, we'll try to repair the system files. This is one of the most common reasons behind Windows Update errors, and it's easy to fix by running SFC and DISM. Open Command Prompt as an administrator. Now, you'll need to run the commands for the DISM tool and SFC scan. These will scan your system for corrupted files and automatically repair and replace them. All 4 commands are listed in the video description, so you can copy them directly from there. Once you've run them all, restart your PC and try checking for updates again. If the error shows up for a single update, try manually installing it. This method often works when a specific Windows update repeatedly fails. First, open your browser and go to the Microsoft Update Catalog website. You can find the link in the description. Next, type the KB number of the update you're trying to install into the search bar and press Enter. Now, download the version that matches your Windows build and architecture. It's 64-bit for most modern PCs. After it's downloaded, double-click the file and follow the on-screen instructions to install it manually. After the installation is complete, restart your PC to apply the changes. If you didn't know, Windows has a built-in tool that can fix most system issues automatically. It works a lot like an in-place upgrade, which we'll try next. Since this one is simpler, we'll start with it first. So, press Windows plus I keys to open Settings, go to System, click Recovery on the right, and click the Reinstall Now option next to Fix Problems Using Windows Update. Tick the checkbox in here and click OK to confirm. Windows will now download and install a repair version to fix any issues on your PC, and this should help get rid of the update error. The next solution is to perform an in-place upgrade. It's similar to reinstalling Windows, but your personal files and apps stay intact. For this, you'll need to download the Windows ISO from Microsoft's official website. The entire process can take a few hours, so make sure you have enough time and a stable internet connection. We already have a dedicated video on how to perform an in-place upgrade. It should appear near the top right corner. If you don't see the tutorial, click the I icon. If something else worked for you, or if you know more solutions for this issue, don't forget to share them in the comments. That's all for now. If you learned something new, hit the like button, share this video with others, and subscribe to Tech in Moments so you never miss a quick, smart tech tip again.